This video will show you how to set up the domain rules when you are using both domains and components for calculating your professional practice and final rating. First, you want to go to the Rubrics tab, click on the rubric, and then click on the Options tab, and then select General Options and go down, and in this case you would have Radon Domains and Radon Components both marked, and then you would select Option 2, Generate Rules for Domain and Component Ratings. Then you will select Manage Domain Rules. So the way this will work is you will have your rules that calculate the domain ratings, and then you have your rules that calculate your overall rating. So for your individual domain ratings, again you would click Add Rule just like you would in any of these others. And in this case, for unsatisfactory, we have two components within the domain are rated unsatisfactory, then that means that it would be unsatisfactory. So in this case we'll do a maximum of 1 unsatisfactory. If that fails, so in other words if there's 2 or more, you're going to assign unsatisfactory. Great, we have that one done. Now needs improvement has 2 parts, so in that case it says at least 3 of the components within the domain are rated needs improvement. Okay, so needs improvement, at least 3 of the components are rated needs improvement. So if we have a max of 2 needs improvement, if that fails, in other words if there's 3 or more, then we're going to assign the current level. Second half of it, no more than 1 unsatisfactory. So needs improvement, again the description, no more than 1 unsatisfactory. That would mean a maximum of 1 unsatisfactory. If that fails, in other words if there's 2 or more, because it says no more than 1, then that's going to be action if failed, assign current level, because if it has 2 or more then it can't be unsatisfactory. So actually we need to select assigns lower level, so this would actually kick it down to unsatisfactory as opposed to needs improvement. So 1 max of unsatisfactory. If there's more than that, in other words 2 or more unsatisfactory, then we need to assign it the lower level because that failed and it doesn't match for needs improvement. And we save that rule. Now you go through each one of these domains and do the rules that you have, and then you have your overall rating rules, put them in the same kind of way, and you would get all your performance rules for your domains and components when you're calculating domain ratings from components and then calculating overall rating based on domains.